After 5 hours walking, I had still not found water, and there was nothing to give me any hope of finding any. All about me was the same drainage, the same curious graces. I thought I glimpsed in the distance a small black silhouette upright and took it for the trunk of a solitary tree. In any case, I started to work. It was a shepherd. 30 sheep were laying about him on the baking earth. He gave me a drink from his water gourd and a little water, took me to his cottage in a part of the plain. He drew his water, excellent water, from a very deep natural well above which he had constructed a primitive witch. The man spoke little. This is the way of those who lie alone. But one felt that he was sure of himself and confident in his assurance that was unaccepted in this barren country. He lived not a cabin but in a real house built of stone that bore plain evidence of how his own effort had reclaimed the rain he had found there on his arrival. His roof was strong, the sound. The wind on its tides made the sound of the sea upon its hair. The place was in order, the dishes which the floor swept his refiled oil, his soup was boiling over the fire. I noticed then that he was cleanly shaved, that all his buttons were firmly sewed, and that his clothing had been mended with the meticulous where that make the mending invisible. He shared his soap with me, and afterward, when I offered my tobacco pouch, he told me that he did not smoke. He dog as silent as himself, was friendly without being servile.